Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Aldo Darel. I want to show my presentation for Garuda is uh, proposal, and I will show my presentation about my project with my team. Is about make web development of GKPI Sipoholon, and this is my team. We have 6 members. Okay, this is the outline of the project, aim of the project, current system, target system, technical challenge, design and challenge. uh, eh, and I'm sorry, design and solution, pro and contra, other challenge, system use, and references. And this is the aim of the project. The main objective of the project is to create a web-based administration system application tailored for GKPI Pasar Sipolan Church. Seeks to address challenge in managing church administrative data on congregation members, service, financial records, and church announcement. By centralizing information, it improves accessibility for the church staff and members, facilitating communication and data management. And here are the main challenge aims to solve that highlight specific issues that the church currently face in managing its data and communication. First is centralized member data management. Currently, church leaders uh, using Microsoft Word application, and only certain leaders have access to manage the member data. So this process is not centralized, making it hard to maintain and access the data efficiently. Then second is distributing information on devotionals, news, and church programs. It's important updates such as church news, work programs, worship schedule, devotionals, still distributed manually using through paper announcement during service. And this approach eliminates accessibility and timelines. Next, the service schedule management. Its pastors and church administrators have the difficult time tracking and managing service schedule. It's time consuming to retrieve each service schedule. Then viewing, because that it will be the challenge for the project. And viewing membership data for each sector, financial information distribution that's shared manually on paper with announcement only during weekly service, and then providing general church information, accessing personal member information. So the church members needs extra effort and time to view their personal information, and it managed manually. So next, I will explain about the current system for this website is what the church background, location, established in 1995, and currently serves about 125 congregants and conducts weekly Sunday service and Sunday school. And then the data management still use single computer with Microsoft Word, only accessible to church board members. And then the challenge, there are several challenges that the church faced. First is irregular updates of congregational data. Second is about the event schedules are manually distributed. Third is difficulty in generating reports and organizing worship service records. And the fourth is Data is decentralized, stored in separate files on a single computer. So from this, we need a need for an improved system to address data management challenge, provide centralized access, easily accessible information, and enable efficient scheduling, reporting, and data sharing for church members and general public. Now, the target system. Uh, there are five. First is daily church committee for the to manage church data, and then pastor leads worship service and oversees administrative tasks. Then elders to assist the pastor and manage specific sectors, and then congregants to register church members in the church family book, And then the last is public or visitors, that anyone can access the website, including non-church members. And there are core features. First is congregation data management. This feature helps the church keep track on important details about the members, including family records, different church sectors, baptism records, and confirmation history. Then service management. It this allows for managing information about the church officials who serve in specific roles like elders and other leaders. It keeps a record of who's involved in various responsibilities within the church. Then third is the worship schedule management. This feature makes it simple to plan and share worship schedules and formats. It keeps track of when different services are held and what's included so members can stay informed. Then the fourth is general church information. This section provides daily devotionals, church news updates, and details about the church programs. It's a way for the church to share meaningful content and keep everyone updated. Then the last is financial management. This feature manages the church income and expenses, records offerings, and helps in creating financial reports. It shows where funds are going and provides a clear view of the church in financial health. The audience designed for the internal GKPI members and the Christian community for the to access the general information. This is the technical challenge for this website, the data centralization. Instead of keeping data scattered in different files and system, bring all information together in one organized place in a single database. Then web accessibility. We want everyone to be able to access the platform easily, whether they're on phone, tablet, or computer. The website will adjust the fit to fit any screen. And we're also making sure it works smoothly on popular web browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and other web browsers. Then the third point is real-time data updates. When administrator update information, such as schedules, financial reports, or announcements, those changes will appear instantly for everyone. This means members can see the latest updates right away, so they're always in the loop with church activities. Okay, this is the representation of OER translation for the data or the system we use. So it uh, many features we can see. It's about 21 tables, I think. Yes, and it explain about the system. It's the main table is the congregation, and it's about many about the program and the worship offering. It's connected with each other, and it gives the system we we built using this. Okay, next. So this is the solution for the okay. This is solution about okay. We next. This is the solution before, and we go to the pro and cons. So the data centralization have pros to improve data accessibility, enhance data integrity and consistency, and also efficient reporting. Then the cons is complex database management, potential performance issues, and security risks. For web accessibility, the pro is wider user reach, I mean, sorry, consistent user experience, and cross-browser compatibility. The cons is additional development time, potentially limited functionality on mobile device, and the last is increased maintenance needs. For the real-time data updates, the pros is first immediate information availability, second is improve user engagement, and the third is efficient data synchronization. And the last count for the real-time data updates is first higher server load, second increase development complexity, and the third is possible synchronization issues. And this is the other challenge that may be faced in the future for the development. And it uh, for the example process of adding or updating congregational data that has not been routinely carried out. Easier it's with everything stored in one place, authorized users can quickly find what they need, making it simpler to manage the church records. Then the information on event schedules that are still distributed manually. A well-organized database helps avoid duplicate information, so everyone can trust the data is accurate. And processing data into reports or okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I will next. I will continue. I'm sorry. So that's all the other challenge that I use. I can explain. It's about user training and adaptability, and then role-based access and data privacy, data backup and recovery. Since all the data will be stored in one system, it's essential to have regular backups and internet dependency. A web-based system requires internet access, which may be an issue for users with unreliable connections. So we need to consider options for offline access or data syncing to make it easier for them. And then user feedback and system updates. And as users start using the system, they may encounter issues or request a new feature. We need a way to collect their feedback and improve the system over time, making it more useful for everyone. So, next, okay, I will. The system we use for the development tools is Visual Studio Code. Development frameworks is PHP using Laravel framework, HTML, Bootstrap, jQuery, Ajax CSS, and JavaScript as the additional. For database is using MySQL and managed using SQL Yoke. The server using Apache Server via XMPP, and the prototyping is Figma. Communication and coordination tools using WhatsApp and Zoom, Google Drive, OneNote, and GitHub for file sharing and document management. For the operating environment, we use browsers like Google Chrome, Safari browser, and Microsoft Office to management data. For management data. Oh, I'm sorry, data management. And then the hardware requirements use minimum specification Intel iCore 5 and the 8 gigabyte RAM. And this is the references for our project. We can see the submission timeline progress, design, and source code. Okay, thank you. In this project, I focus on UI UX design and view for the code, but I some contribution in the controller path of the code in Laravel. Then also contribute to generate the PDF features for the report. I'd like to apologize if there was any mistakes or areas that could have been clearer in my presentation. My goal was to communicate my ideas as effectively as possible, and I appreciate your understanding. Thank you for your attention and the opportunity to present. I am honored to present my project here at Garuda Ace 2024. This opportunity is a significant step toward realizing my vision, and I am committed to make a positive impact uh, through this project. Uh, Thank you for considering my efforts, and I look forward for the change to be part to, of the Garuda Ace community. Thank you.